Alright, so, hey what's up guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Earrape. This is going to be a tutorial. So let's get right into it. So you want to find your favorite video that you want to make into Earrape. I'm going to choose pizza time because why the fuck not? You're going to do this, you're going to do this, you're going to bring over here, download this, convert it, and there it is. Bing bang boom. Hurry the fuck up. Bam, pizza time. Download. Bam, MP3. Audacity. Brilliant. Open. Where the fuck is it? Downloads. Pizza time. Open. Bam. It's beautiful. So, how do you make this an Earrape, you may be asking? Well, you click on it, Control A, and you select everything. Then you hit Effect and Amplify by a lot. Now it looks like this. So it's pretty close to Earrape, but you can make this even worse. And this is a little bit of a maybe like a bit too far, but it's pretty great. Sliding stretch. I think that's good actually. Now, you know you're doing something right when it takes almost 30 seconds to do a simple fucking task like this. It is beautiful. Yeah, I'm not really going to edit this out. Like, this is just going to go up as this. Like, I'm not editing it at all. Probably. Alright. So now you have something that looks like this, and it's about long as shit. Yeah, it was a 55-second video. That's it's 9 minutes long now. I think. Yeah, that's just one footstep. I think. Maybe. Right, maybe. Yeah, probably. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys liked it, leave a like. If you really enjoyed it, consider subscribing. It helps me out. It's really easy to do. This has been your Meepa tutorials. Enjoy fucking with your friends. Alright, I'm out.